Yes, 2 BHK ground floor, fully furnished, which is in Kaggadaspura. So they have sofa set, very big hall area, and here you'll be getting utility, and a TV also is there, and the bedroom with a bed and uh, extra storage. And here you have wardrobes, enough wardrobes, and you do also have toilet. This is Indian, but they're planning to change that. Okay, and let me show you another bedroom. This is a sink, and here you have dining table, modular kitchen. Here you have showcase, extra things can be put here. So these are the wardrobes in the kitchen, and cabinets in the kitchen, gas stove, chimney, fridge, washing machine, sink, and this is a western toilet, and geysers also there, fans, lights and everything. This is another bedroom, mirrors, bed, cot, mattresses, and one almirah here. So this is around close to the Maleshpalya Park, Kaggadaspura. Kaggadaspura first class. Bachelors also there, okay. The rent they are quoting around 38 including maintenance. That can be negotiable, right? So if anybody interested, please do let me know. There will be 1 month brokerage is applicable. They do also have car parking, power backup, CCTV. This is a ground floor, north facing. Security also is there. So all the basic amenities, and quite immediately from the apartment you have park. So this area is a park area. So decent corner property, very decent property. Okay, so do let me know if you are interested.